What's up to all my followers? Dr. Smoke here, and we're headed to the post office for the first time to check our fan mail to see if anybody actually sent us some fan mail. It'll be interesting to see. I'm gonna go up to the Elmer post office right now and check it with you guys. So again, thank you for your support. Love all the followers. Please like, subscribe, and things you guys want to see, because we're kind of changing it up a bit now. So I'll get back once I'm at the post office and we'll check it. Pulling up to the Elmer post office. So what do you think? Anybody send anything? I have my doubts, but we'll have to see. Switch cameras. Here we are. So this is the first time checking it. I have no clue where it's even at. Check it out. 962. What do you think? Oh, dusty empty. So, no fan mail. I actually saw the dust come out of the box when I opened it. But, hey, this stuff takes time. And again, if you guys are watching, thank you so much from Dr. Smoke. Doing things a little bit different, and we are still doing the smoker stuff. So, anybody has questions about their smokers, anything at all, and fan mail address is down there. Ron and I will read it on camera and do our thing. Please like, subscribe, and again, thank you from Dr. Smoke.